y'all, and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. Today is Sunday and it is the afternoon after church, after Sunday nap, all those good things, after Sunday dinner. So this is what I do on Sunday afternoons in order to reset for a new week. I had to work Monday morning, and so I always try to make sure that my home is done so that whenever I go clean someone else's home, when I come home, I'm not completely overwhelmed. So that's what's going on. But these are things that you can do to reset your home on Sunday and wake up feeling refreshed. As you can see here, I'm using Method Heavy Duty Degreaser Cleaner. I just want to tell y'all, this cleaner is amazing. I use this in my home and I take it and use it in my clients' homes too. It is the best stuff ever. I highly, highly recommend it. So on this day, I decided to go ahead and take down all of my Easter decor, which I really hated doing because it's so cute. But I needed to get it down and get it put up. So you'll see me carrying this box around and just gathering it up as I clean my home. So I normally do laundry on Mondays instead of Sunday, but since I knew I was going to be out of my home on Monday, I wanted to go ahead and just tackle it and get it done, and that way I didn't have to worry about if Matt had clean jeans and clean work shirts and all that kind of stuff. So Matt helped me, and we just together tackled the laundry and got it out of the way for the week. I just want to say how tired of laundry I was getting. I was like, okay, is this ever going to end? I don't know. It just seemed like the laundry just kept coming this week. I was so done with it, but we powered through and got it done. If you're still here with me hanging out, I just want to say thank you so much. And if you're new here, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel or consider subscribing. I would really appreciate your support. I just want to thank all my new subscribers. I have received so many new subscribers lately, and I just want to thank you so much for supporting me. Oh, and if you've noticed that I changed clothes, it was because I spilt my coffee all down my clothing. So, yay me. Y'all, I just think there's nothing better than to go to bed in a nice, clean, fresh bedroom that is clutter-free and just stress-free, and then getting up in the morning and walking through the living room and everything being in its place, and going to make your cup of coffee in the morning and not having any dishes in the sink. It's just so refreshing and sets the tone for your day, I think. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you hit the like and the subscribe button and share all my video with all your friends and help a girl grow. See y'all next time. Bye.